Hello guys, I welcome you all for this second module on Introduction to IoT. In this today's lecture series, we'll be looking over what are the different IoT devices and how it's getting different from the computer devices. So in mobility devices, most of the electrical and electronic components are mostly electromechanical kind of a product. So if you take whatever devices in olden days, mostly it will be combination of the electromechanical. So later part of the centuries, the electronics part getting famous into the real-time environment, and the electronics controls the electrical and mechanical parts. So if you take an example of an ambassador car in 1950s, most of the components are made out of electromechanical based components. So if you take the 21st century car, you will be having the all the things as a electronic based control. Even if there is a problem in the particular thing, the first thing that is going to be blown out is going to be the fuse, or that can be configured by using the electronics that is computer connected to the particular car. So there is a dedicated devices in the car such as an OBD devices, that is onboard diagnostic devices, so that we can monitor each and every parameter inside the car, and also we can have the it is like an emulator and a debugger of the particular car, so that we can able to look over what is happening inside the car and what is the reason for the particular fault can be monitored over this OBD kind of devices. In today's MG Hector based cars, we can able to auto park the car, and the car will automatically park based upon the different visual and driving systems. There are a lot of visual based inputs being accepted, and lidar kind of system is being adopted by many vendors. The Tesla cars can have the autonomous control over the car. There are a lot of research is going on development of the autonomous car for Indian road environment. So everything is based upon IoT kind of thing. So whatever the data that is being acquired by the car sensors should be connected with the cloud, so that the cloud will be having the map of the particular location area, so that they can be able to connect with the particular car, so that it can find the way to where the destination is being needed. So the IoT devices are of very small sizes. For example, in olden days, the tag is being there is a lot of improvement in development of the particular tag. Now the SIM based cards are being developed. That is, a small IC circuit will be embedded into the particular devices, so that we can able to monitor the particular devices parameters through by using the small chip when it is getting connected with the nearby receiver. So the internet access given access to the external application and data, the cloud. 1970 logistical tagging barcodes has been used. Nowadays RFID based and SIM based configuration has been being used in the nowadays. So the IoT devices are unique. The IoT devices has the main function separate from the computation. The car drive and phone make calls, the TV display shows, and computation is mean to an end. So the computer computes for example, it will get a certain inputs, and the input is being processed. If it is acceptable, it will send a yes signal, and if it is not acceptable, it will send a no signal. That is what the computer get computes. So the IoT device, when we comparing the IoT devices with the computers are the general purpose, okay to executing anything, not particularly efficient for a particular type of code. So IoT devices are the special purpose devices. The software and hardware are efficient for the task because it is being developed as a part of an embedded system. The software and hardware are very efficient for the task, but inefficient for other tasks. A music player is great for playing, but terrible for playing a video. So we cannot play all kind of videos in the infotainment system of a particular car, because it is being dedicated for receiving the car controls and manipulating the car controls from the particular LCD board that is attached to the dashboard of the particular car. It is not meant for the playing high-end 5.1 video on the particular dashboard. So the laptop can do both, but it is less efficiently. It can able to handle both things. So this is what the comparison of the IoT and the general purpose computer. And thank you all. We'll be seeing in the live classes about the detailed session of an IoT in upcoming lecture series. Thank you.